made this bird feeder in just a few minutes, and birds come back to it every day. I used ready-made wreaths, but you can also collect sticks from your garden and make them yourself by tying them together. Prepare bird food. Tie a string around each ball and attach it to the center of the ring. Hang the feeder on a tree in your garden. It's a simple and easy way to help birds find food and enjoy watching them up close every day. Get rid of mice. This will keep them away from your home. This way you can get rid of rodents without setting traps or using harmful poisons. This homemade mixture is a natural deterrent for mice and rats. Do mice appear in your home, basement, or garage? Do you not want to see them anymore? Prepare a mixture that will help you get rid of mice and rats. Pour 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is harmful to rodents. Sweeten the mixture with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Take toothpaste and squeeze it onto a spoon. Add that amount to the mixture. The smell of toothpaste will repel rodents, especially if it has a mint scent. Add 1 tablespoon of patching plaster. Pour in 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix everything well and knead it. The flour, baking soda, and plaster mean that if a mouse or rat tries to eat this mixture, at best it will experience stomach pain. This will discourage further visits. A uniform mass will form. Shape it into small balls and place them on a saucer. Put them wherever you have noticed rodent droppings, mice, or rats. Leave this natural repellent in the garage, attic, or basement as well. These small balls will help ensure a home free of mice and rats. Just a few drops can completely transform your home. You'll notice the difference right away. It's a brilliant trick my neighbor accidentally discovered. Start by grabbing a tall container. Add 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Its strong aroma and natural compounds make it perfect for this. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar helps eliminate bacteria and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then pour in 5 tablespoons of dish soap. The ratio matters. Dish soap acts as an emulsifier. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth liquid. Pour it into a spray bottle and toss in a few whole cloves. Their strong, spicy scent has both repelling and antiseptic properties. Now it's time to use it. Spray your kitchen counters, windowsills, table, or any other area. This simple mixture makes an incredibly effective insect spray. Its smell is unbearable for bugs. Just a few ingredients can make your home feel fresh and pest-free for a long time.